On the tone. Nice start so far, guys. Nice start so far.
Oh, man.
Had a little bit of melee turn one. Everybody's out. Right now, Jenny laying it down like he has all night. And then Eugene second, Glenda third. Watch back stretch, guys, back stretch, go high, go high, go high. All right, clear. Uh-oh, Leader's taking a tumble. Getting in all kinds of trouble. Jenny had to pick it up. Whoa! Gino go flying. Watch front stretch, guys, front stretch, front stretch. Go low, go low, go low. All right, it's clear. Watch that stretch, guys. All right, clear. All right, guys, here we go. It's Jenny, Vern, Ned, Eugene, Chuck, and Glenn. Glenn getting in trouble in turn one. All right, clear, guys. Glen's laying it down on that white slider. He's got the original wheels on the front. Looks like it definitely makes it work. Ned moving to that second spot. He's got his eyes on Denny. He's hoping Denny gets a little swirly and takes a tumble or two. Eugeno's taking the tumble. Turn one, guys. Turn one. Go low. Turn one. Jody makes a nice move right there. One to keep him spin. Denny getting a little swirly. Turn three. Right now, Jenny's got a one lap over the hill. We got Ned in second. He's got a lap over Gino. We got Vern, Chuck, and Glenn, guys. That's the order. Denny, Ned, and Gino. Watch straightaway, guys. Then go for a tumble. Watch go high in the straight. Oh, Gino gets into Glenn. Let's see if that gives Vern a little bit of room to move out. Like I said, Ned's doing a hell of a job with that white sprint car. Watch turn through four, guys. Like later Denny laying it down. He's got a fast lap of 8-1. Uh-oh, Glenn, you broke?
No.
Broke. Pull it off. Okay. Watch back there. Go low in the back. Go low in the back. Go low in the back.
I went low. Not low enough.
2 minutes left. Gary, you alright, buddy? Alright. Alright, guys, you heard us 2 minutes ago. We got Jenny, Eugene, Vern, Ned pulling all the way down to that fourth spot. We've got high some traffic. Chuck having some issues on the front. Ned getting it back to Chuck, not on purpose, going too fast.
Oh,
yeah, he can do a little bit. Like I said, these sprint cars go so fast, by the time you try to react, sometimes it's too late. Our leader, Denny, is laying it down. He's got a 3-lap lead on the field right now. He's still got that fast lap of 8-1. Vern and Ned, that's the battle for second place right now. Those two neck and neck. Gino down the fourth. Chuck, Glenn, that's the order, guys. Ned's making a pass on Vern right there. That's for second place. Like I said, Denny's got first. Woo! Just missing Dawson. Turn two. 1 minute left. 1 minute to go, guys. 1 minute to go. Whoa! Turn three, guys. Turn three, turn three, turn three. Glenn taking a tumble. Chuck getting into it. Back stretch, back stretch, back stretch. Oh, all kinds of melee on the... Watch the back, go high in the back, go high in the back. Ned working his way through that traffic, trying not to give up that second spot to Vern. You guys got 25 seconds to go. Yeah. Alright guys, you guys know who Denny is. Ned's the white sprint car. He's got a lap on you guys. You see him, give him a little bit of room. Again, he's got 1 lap on you. He's second place. like Blake's a little faster in that yellow car than that, trying to get around him, but Ned's a little smoother in that car, so.
I'm letting him go.
I got one for it. Keep going. Glenn, you got 5%. Vern, you're done. You're done.
Car 6 is done. Car 2 is done. Car 2 is done.
Everybody's done.
Woohoo! Oh man, right at the last.